Good morning, everyone. I am here to report the linguistic landscape. Education. Jason Sinos and Dirk Goddard, 2020. In the previous section, we have seen that there are different perspectives when discussing the concept of translodging. Dirk Goddard, 2018. Brown found the schoolscapes represent ideologies and identities about the local minority language. Sisima, 1951. It is crucial to shed light on this issue since the essence of a discipline determines the research domain, define the boundaries, influence the choice of methodology, and differentiate it from other subjects. Edward Owusu, all over the world, English language is seen playing countless roles in many countries. Cara Brown, 2012, this chapter is an empirical exploration of the intersection of place, claiming, and language revitalization in school space. David Malinowski, 2023. It has given us the opportunity to broaden the scope of the work by including a more diverse range of experts hailing from various locations, disciplines, and pedagogical orientations, and operating in very different contexts. Backhouse Peter, 2007. In describing the methodology of the main studies reported here, Backhouse points out that there is a basic distinction between qualitative approaches. He concludes that research into LL is best suited to a sound methodology. Peter Sayer, 2010, research indicates that utilizing the linguistics landscapes as a pedagogical tool offers numerous benefits for language learners' connection to the community. Catherine Bowell, 2015. The study demonstrated how the concept of linguistic landscape aligns with the pedagogy of multiliteracy, encouraging students to critically analyze the multimodality and linguistic diversity present in their surroundings. Anton A. Klayusov, 2013, in the new paradigm, three important groups of players have been identified: bearers conventionally identified as Aryans. Walter G. Whitford, 2021. The composition of leaf litter bags on the soil surface was function of the rainfall of the sites of soil texture. Wen Si Xing, 2019. As a coastal city of China and the important port for the opening of policy, Shenzhen showed its advancement. The conclusion about landscape education emphasized its critical role in fostering sustainable development, environmental stewardship, and cultural appreciation. Environment. Elena Shohami and Dirk Goddard, 2009. People are the ones who hang the signs, display poster, design advertisement, write instruction, and create websites. Dirk Goddard, 2008. The main concerns of research on the linguistic landscape is with an analysis of the use of language in its written form in the public sphere. Language speaks to us from numerous signs in the public space. Maya Abdul Hamid, 2014. The paper aims to determine the way in which materialities within the environment influence pedestrians' movements when searching for signs. Antipoulos K. Petron, 2011. The results of the study show the users of hospital cared about footpaths, resting areas, social and public spaces, personal spaces, water features, and a dominant, limited range of colors in landscaping. Environment conclusion. The linguistic landscape environment refers to the public display of written language in a given space, encompassing signs, advertisement, billboards, and other textual artifacts. Marta Galindo para 2022. The language used on public signage in the LL of the two survey areas are primarily monolingual English with a slight presence of signs in Spanish, and a much lower representation of the combination of those two languages and other Indo-European. Zuzanis Scalon, 2003. Firstly, the many hand-picked picture posters, road signs, and snapshots scattered here and there throughout the book not only contribute to the economy of text, as it arrests to the old saying of picture is worth 1,000 of words, but they also make the reading experience a real delight. Jason Sinos and Dirk Gerter, 2015. The findings indicate that the linguistic landscape is related to the official language policy regarding minority languages and that there are important differences between the two settings. The evolution of the economic linguistic landscape underscore the power of language as both a tool of economic advancement and a cornerstone of cultural identity, necessitating truthful strategies to harmonize these dimensions. Politics by Guy Puzzi, 2012. Qualitative empirical evidence will be used to demonstrate how the LL and regional or minority language policy are intertwined in these three countries, which have each seen considerable controversy over the use of minority languages in official signage.